Welcome to your user-friendly Spanish lesson.
Remember that it's important social etiquette in Hispanic culture to greet everyone upon arrival and departure.
Repeat the following Spanish out loud.
How do you say hello or hi?
Hola. Hola.
Good morning.
Buenos días. Buenos días. That literally means, good days.
Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. That literally means, good afternoons.
Good evening. Good night.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches. That literally means, good nights.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto. That literally means, much pleasure.
Let's review. Hello.
Hola.
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Good evening. Good night.
Buenas noches.
Nice to meet you.
Mucho gusto.
Repeat this video throughout your day until it becomes second nature.
Ready to take your Spanish to the next level? Visit our special link in the description below this video for even more resources.